Are you looking for the best smart locks? In this video we will look at some of the best smart locks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 3D Face Smart Door Lock. 3D Infrared Face, Fingerprint, Password, E-card, Mechanical Key, APP. Carved alloy material built strong enough to protect your home. Locking and unlocking automatically with the newest automatic technology to free your hands. Indoor double lock knob gives you one more safeguard. Emergency power supply in case of lost power. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery. Low battery warming. One-time full charge can work about 3 months. English voice and menu. Query unlock records in the lock. Infrared sensor camera make it also can work well in dark environment. Suit for lots of door type. Wooden door, stainless steel door, bronze door, double door. Old-fashioned security doors. Left open and right open all compatible. Number 2. Digital Electronic Door Smart Lock. My friends, due to transportation reasons, this smart lock does not have batteries in the shipping package. You need to buy 4 PCSAA batteries after you receive the goods and use them. The card of the link applies only to the smart lock of the link. If you do not have this lock, please do not purchase an card separately in case you cannot use it after purchase. It is fit 13.56 MHz. We will ship 2 cards. If you need more cards, you can choose SKUs with only cards to place an order. Thank you. Double module, Wi-Fi and fast network configuration. Use Smart Life app or Tuya Smart app. Super sensitive fingerprint smart lock. A grip immediately open the door. Fingerprint recognition. Attention to the elderly and children. Mobile app remote unlock. When not at home, have a friend visit. Let a friend press the lock doorbell or 9# button can be remote unlock. Password unlocking. Support long-term password unlocking. You can also set temporary password unlocking. Number 3. 8-language Tuya Smart Home Electronic Lock. Tuya Smart Home Electronic Lock with Wi-Fi biometric fingerprint smart door lock digital password APP unlock security protection. Product features. The smart lock supports 5 unlocking methods: fingerprint, password, key, E-card, Tuya app, Wi-Fi. Easily manage your smart lock through the Tuya app. Wi-Fi. The battery life of a set of batteries, 8 months. Stainless steel upgraded lock body, easy to install and can fit in all directions without adjustment. Support anti-peeping password setting. If you entered the wrong fingerprint or password multiple times, the system will be locked for 3 minutes. Fingerprint capacity: 120 pieces. Password capacity: 100 pieces. E-card capacity: 100 pieces. Alarm type: low battery alarm. Number 4. Eufy Security C210 Smart Lock. Unlock doors with a simple tap on your Apple Watch. Enhance inconvenience with this versatile smart lock access option. Compatible with Eufy Security app and Alexa, Google Voice Assistant for seamless operation. Experience remote access control with built-in Wi-Fi. No bridge needed. Manage access, receive real-time notifications, and review event history with the Eufy Security app on the latest C210 model. Easily integrate your keyless entry door lock with your Eufy doorbell for synchronized routines and device management, all within the Eufy Security app. For a streamlined smart home experience, install your smart lock in just 15 minutes without drilling, and enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month after-sales service and round-the-clock customer support. Easy installation, fits most US deadbolts. Trust in a keyless entry door lock that's BHMA certified and tested for over 100,000 cycles, with an alarm system alerting you to unusual attempts at opening the door, ensuring robust protection for your home. No bridge required for this built-in Wi-Fi enabled lock. Number 5. Tuya Wi-Fi Electronic Smart Door Lock. Smart electronic lock camera lock application. 5 opening method, mobile application, fingerprint, code, physical key, RF card. 8 operating system languages, English, Portuguese, Spanish, Saudi Arabic, Russian, Vietnamese, Thai, Chinese. Main features: suitable for doors with a thickness of 3.5 to 7 centimeters, universal adjustable handle, left and right. Perfect for families, Airbnb, or rental, office, and business departments. You can unlock from anywhere in the world using your phone through your free application. In addition, you can also grant a one-time entry permit based on the date range. Very suitable for Airbnb. Excellent service. If you have any questions about our products, please feel free to contact us. We will provide you with the best service. Number 6. eufy C220 Security Smart Lock. With 8 AA batteries, Smart Lock C220 runs around 8 months. Experience ultimate convenience and peace of mind with our long-lasting power solution. May vary depending on the frequency of the lock being used. Fingerprint door lock recognition gets more precise with every touch, so you don't have to try again and again to get in. Never be awkward or upset at unlocking the door. Unlock with a touch for less than 1.5s with fingerprint lock. You can also open your front door lock via the eufy security app, using the keypad or physical key, from Apple Watch, or use your voice with Alexa, Google Voice Assistant. Control from anywhere with built-in Wi-Fi. No bridge required. You can control your Wi-Fi smart lock from anywhere via the eufy security app. If you have a eufy doorbell, you can add your Wi-Fi door lock to your routines and control devices together for keyless entry within the eufy security app. Compatible with most standard US and California deadbolts. 15-minute easy install without drilling. Enjoy a worry-free 18-month warranty backed by professional customer service. You can contact us by telephone, email, and live chat.